We're about to kill this record cause medal ain't for free. Gotta put the work in cause Olympics where we'll be.
Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Now, Junelle Bromfield has been a name in track and field, full of potential. That's what we always saw in her. So we're surprised that after the backlash of what happened with her boyfriend Noah Lyles, that many stated that they don't know who she is, where she come from. I guess it would be for those who don't watch the longer distances, probably that's the situation. So we decided to put together a video on Junelle Bromfield about her, you know, so you can be informed about who she is. Especially since she's on the track and field team for Olympics Paris 2024, and we are rooting for all Jamaicans. Now we understand that some Jamaicans may view Junelle Bromfield as a traitor based on the pillow talks that she has with her boyfriend Noah Lyles and what he stated recently. Now Jamaicans were mighty upset when just days ago Lyles he shared how he's been getting insider information from Jamaican camps. It is stated that he said it's funny because Junelle being Jamaican and having trained in MVP, I've been getting the drama from Jamaican camps for at least 5 years. There are a lot of times where I make the references on Jamaicans because I know information that other people don't. That's what he stated on Track World News YouTube channel. And ever since, Junelle Bromfield has been getting, a lot of different comments, negative mostly online, as it relates to what she said. People personally seek out her social media accounts just to tell her that Jamaica got this on her. She bad mind, she traitor. All of them stuff they the whole of Jamaica term on her. I don't know how one Jamaican can speak for all of Jamaica, but I understand the emotions. We won't go into all of that. Some definitely took their comments too far, but Janelle seems to be doing all right. She's been through a whole lot. She lost 5 family members, she stated at one time. So when you have grief or you deal with in a life, sometimes nothing can shake you. A lot of people have been through some of the worst things in life and still persevere. So when these things pop up, it might be disheartening based on the comments and what is being said. But, she's an overcomer. Now let's start with the basics. Junelle Bromfield, born on the 8th of February 1998, so she should be about 26. It is stated her place of birth is Black River, Jamaica. So in St. Elizabeth there, the breadbasket parish. Now, what happened is that she is said to have attended St. Elizabeth Technical High School and also the University of Technology. In fact, we see an article here where she was an outstanding junior athlete and she was honored. She received the Courtney Walsh Student Excellence Award in 2015 and was very accustomed to high praise. In this article, it states that she's a native of Braes River in St. Elizabeth, and they called her an exemplary student athlete despite humble family circumstances, which include being one of 8 children to a single mother. Now here it states that Junelle won 3 consecutive 800-meter finals at the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships since 2013 and represented Jamaica at the 2014 CAC Junior Championships, where she earned a silver medal in the 800-meter. She also represented the Americas in the 2014 Youth Olympics and went on to again represent her country at the 2015 Commonwealth Youth Games, where she served as team captain and won gold in the 400-meter and the 400-meter hurdles. She also earned silver in the 400-meter hurdles at the 2015 Penn Relays. Now, the article further stated that she at the time exemplified what a student athlete can achieve through hard work and dedication. She displayed the type of mindset which encourages anyone of poor or disadvantaged upbringing to look past their surroundings and strive for excellence, as well as create opportunities for their own upward mobility. She was also a prefect at STETS and gained 6 subjects at the June 2015 sitting of the CSEC exams. So yeah, a long time we're here about Junelle Bromfield. Her name was a buzz from then. But then she had personal tragedy and that probably affected her track and field career. Nonetheless, we will see her at this year's Olympics. We also see that she studied law at the University of Technology. So she's definitely an achiever. She has great talent, potential, and is pretty smart. But has stated as just like many Jamaicans, she comes from humble beginnings, as many like to call it. She lost her mother and 4 other family members, a few years ago, and that really, really devastated her. Also, she seems pretty dedicated to the sport and has a deep love for track and field. Now, Junelle Bromfield, she burst onto the international scene with a spectacular performance at the 2020 Summer Olympics, securing a bronze medal in the mixed 4x400 meters relay. This achievement, brought her further into the spotlight, showcasing her as one of Jamaica's premier athletes. Her career continued to flourish as she amassed numerous accolades, and we're going to just put a screenshot of some of the accolades that we found online. So yeah, I know Fenke thing. Even though she's not known as some of our more popular athletes, she definitely do her thing. And having lost her mother, she has honored her mother's memory through her athletic achievements. Now, Janelle is most recently known for her relationship with the American sprinter Noah Lyles. They had been friends years before dating, and they recently celebrated their 2-year anniversary. They seem pretty supportive of each other, and their shared passion for athletics often showcased through their social media platform. Despite the backlash, they've been continue to support and share moments of each other on social media. And a lot of people rate them. Here are some videos that she has shared or Noah has shared on their social media as we're putting in this video. Despite facing backlash and, accusations of betrayal, Janelle chose to rise above the negativity. Her achievements or accolades speak volume about her dedication and talent. And we are wishing her the best for Paris Olympics 2024. She's not just an athlete. Based on what she's been through and how she perseveres, if you watch some of the things, the interviews from back then, and read some of the articles from back then, before she had, loss and grief, she was on a great path, and she is getting back to that. From her early days in Black River to the grand stages of the Olympics and World Championships, Janelle has consistently demonstrated her exceptional talent and unwavering spirit. Despite the challenges and controversies, she remains focused on her goals, continuing to, do her thing. Saw in the interview that she stated that she had to leave Jamaica because of everything that was going on. Um, and that wasn't that long ago. So that's a little bit of information about Janelle. Let us know if you found it useful and you can identify who she is now. Definitely one to watch at the Paris Olympics. All of our over 60 Jamaicans who are gonna be there, we are rooting for them and we can't wait. It's just what? 6 more days until Olympics. Woo! Jamaicans, Williko and Talawa. So yeah, we can understand Jamaicans feeling betrayed and all those things, but sometimes we take the outreach a little bit too far, don't you think? At the end of it all, we're all pretty human and very much flawed to some that's not criminal sharing something with your partner, um, as pillow talk and so forth. If Noah didn't say, a lot of people wouldn't know. I mean, people wouldn't know. So that's something. But wishing all the athletes an injury-free and healthy Olympics and top focus, top form as they take on one of the biggest challenges of trying to become the world's greatest and an Olympic champion. So that's it for now. Big up and blessings. We'll chat pretty soon. Let us know if you like this video. Comment below. We try to keep it as positive as possible. Guys, a lot of negative out there. Sometimes we try to cover the trending stuff. It's not all the time we can, the energy for it, because a lot of negativity out there. We need some balance. So we try our best. But be mindful that we're also a YouTube channel. We're also trying to operate as a business. So if you see us covering some of these topics, we just try to do what we need to do to keep the channel going. If you want to support us, go ahead and subscribe, watch the videos, comment, share. Let us know what you want to see. And as we come up with more, there are things that you can support, like the books and so forth. Get a copy and so forth. So that's it, guys. You have a blessed one. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. And Jamaican for life.